Welcome to This Explainer. Look, we're diving straight into a massive, frankly radical shift happening right now in how we all work. If you've ever spent hours painfully aligning text boxes or formatting data, well, you already know the grind of document creation. But a fundamental transformation has just hit. We are officially moving past the era where AI just throws ideas at a blank wall, and we're entering the era where AI actually does the manual, tedious labor for you.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our agenda. We're going from Section 1, PowerPoint is AI now, right into Section 2, enter agentic mode. Then we'll check out Section 3, the proof in the data, examine Section 4, the AI system differentiator, and zoom all the way out with Section 5, the Copilot super app.
All right, Section 1, PowerPoint is AI now. Let's start with a universal workplace pain point, staring endlessly at a completely blank presentation canvas. I want to ask you a direct question to kind of reframe your whole perspective on workflow. Who actually builds your presentations right now? Because as of the massive April 2026 updates, Microsoft Copilot doesn't just sit on the sidelines anymore. It autonomously updates your existing decks with new data and builds the narrative. And the best part? It respects your company's specific templates while doing it. The AI does the building, you do the directing.
Moving on to Section 2, enter agentic mode.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast between what we had just last year and what we have today. Agent mode is the official term for this new capability that just hit general availability across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Copilot used to be this passive AI, right? It could answer your questions, sure, but it was basically just a bystander. Agent AI actually takes multi-step, app-native actions directly in your files. We're talking about an AI that understands the richness of a pivot table, the precise use of animations, and the exact formatting of citations.
Think of this shift as moving from being the tired driver to having a highly skilled chauffeur. You get to sit in the executive seat. You review the route, you dictate the destination, and the AI takes the wheel and handles the actual driving. And to be clear, human control remains absolutely non-negotiable here. You review the changes, you keep exactly what you want, and you make sure your brand style is respected. But the AI? The AI executes the actual heavy lifting of formatting, restructuring, and building the visuals.
Next up, Section 3, the proof in the data.
So you might be wondering, is this actually working out in the wild? And this brilliantly illustrates that it is. This isn't just some marketing gimmick. It's a fundamental change that's already validated by real user metrics straight from the Microsoft 365 block. We are seeing massive jumps in user engagement, which they measure by tries per user per week. Since these agentic capabilities launched, engagement is up 52% in Word, a staggering 67% in Excel, and 11% in PowerPoint. It turns out, when the AI actually performs the labor, people use it a lot more.
But wait, it's not just initial engagement. People are actually sticking around. Check out this retention data. New user retention increased by 11% in Word, 36% in PowerPoint, and 50% in Excel. In fact, in highly complex apps like Excel, where Copilot is now literally building and explaining the analysis directly inside the workbook, user satisfaction ratings have surged by an unbelievable 65%.
Let's move to Section 4, the AI system differentiator. To really understand where this is all heading, we need to zoom out from the individual apps and look at the overarching Microsoft Build 2026 vision. As Jay Park stated at the event, AI alone won't change your business. The system running it will. This is a profoundly important realization. The underlying foundation models, they aren't the only differentiator anymore. The real competitive advantage is the entire ecosystem that supports, grounds, and secures those models.
And here is how that complete system works together. It's like a giant, well-oiled machine. You build your agents in GitHub. You contextualize them with Work IQ, which is crucial because it grounds the AI in your specific work signals so it actually understands your intent. You run them securely in Microsoft Foundry, and you govern the whole shebang with Agent 365. This setup gives you a bounded, highly secure environment. Multi-agent parallel sessions can run simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes, and they stay completely isolated from your production environment until you say, "Yep, I approve this work."
Which brings us to our final stop, Section 5, the Copilot super app. Let's zoom all the way out to the macro level to see where these agentic capabilities are ultimately converging. So the crucial point here is the Copilot super app. Confirmed to be launching this quarter, this is a unified hub. Actually, scratch that. It's more like a completely unified ecosystem that merges your standard Copilot chatbot functionality with advanced agentic tools like autopilots, cowork, and code.
Microsoft is literally consolidating all these scattered AI features into one central commercial and consumer experience spanning Windows 11.
Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella confirmed this exact strategy on a recent earnings call, calling it a major step forward. And honestly, the momentum is already there. Nadella noted that the number of AI conversations per user has nearly doubled year over year. To put that into perspective, weekly engagement with Copilot is now right on par with massive legacy applications like Outlook and Teams. It is rapidly becoming the new central interface for getting your work done.
Which leaves us with a fascinating and maybe slightly daunting question to close out our explainer today. If AI now makes the slides, formats the complex spreadsheets, writes the code, and autonomously does the manual labor, what will you do with your time? In this new world of agentic computing, your value is no longer in just building the presentation. Your value is in the strategy, the creativity, and the human connection that the presentation is meant to achieve. Thank you for joining me, and I highly encourage you to think about how you will step into that executive seat.